Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to deposit money on KuCoin. First open your KuCoin app and log into your account. Tap on assets. Then here tap on deposit crypto. You can also tap on deposit fiat to buy crypto. I am tapping on deposit crypto. Then tap on fiat. Choose your currency. They will ask you to add bank account. I am selecting letter. Enter the amount how much you want to deposit. Then click on pay with add bank account if you haven't already. Then click on continue in the bottom. Here you can choose a bank account that you use. Go ahead and link your bank account right here. And that's how you can deposit money on KuCoin. And thanks for watching.